BytePhase Rental Management Module. Welcome to BytePhase. In this video, we'll explore the BytePhase Rental Management Module and see how you can easily manage rental devices, contracts, billing, deposits, renewals, and customer notifications, all from a single platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Add rental devices. Before creating a rental contract, let's first add a rental device. Go to the Rental module and click the plus button. Enter the device details: device type, brand, model, serial number, monthly rent, security deposit. Select the device status such as available, rented, or under maintenance. You can also add the storage location, accessories, and additional notes. Click Save and your rental device is ready. Step 2. Create a rental contract. Now click New Rental. First, fill in the contract information: customer name, customer source, assigned employee. Next, select the rental device. BytePhase automatically shows only available devices, or you can add a new device directly from this screen. Now choose Contract Start Date, Contract End Date, Renewal Type. Configure the billing details: payment frequency, billing mode, deposit amount. Add your terms and conditions, then click Create and Activate. Your rental contract is now live. Immediately after activation, you can notify your customer through email, SMS, WhatsApp, in-app notification. BytePhase also generates a professional rental receipt, where your customer can review the agreement and provide their digital signature. Step 3. Manage rentals. Let's open the rental listing page. From here, you can add rental payments, update rental status, renew contracts, collect security deposits. To collect a deposit, simply click Collect Deposit, select the payment method, and confirm. The transaction is automatically recorded in the customer's history. Step 4. Rental settings and dashboard. Now let's look at rental settings. Here you can configure default payment frequency, default billing mode, default renewal type. You can also enable automated reminders for contract renewals, overdue payments. Finally, the rental dashboard provides a complete overview of your rental business, including active rentals, overdue rentals, devices on rent, outstanding payments, contracts expiring this month, and many more useful insights to help you manage your rental operations efficiently. That's how easy it is to manage your rental business with BytePhase Rental Management. Start your free trial today and experience smarter rental management with BytePhase.